Welcome to Lexus of Edmonton, located off 170th Street. Today I have a 2025 Lexus RX 350 Hybrid in Caviar. This is the F-Sport design. Under the hood, you have a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. This has the F-Sport exterior appearance package throughout. Comes with 21-inch F-Sport performance alloy wheels and keyless entry into the vehicle. On your door panel, you have your power windows, side mirrors, and door locks. Beside your steering wheel, you have your memory seats, gas and trunk button. You have black leather interior throughout with 10-way power driver's seat. You have a leather-wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters and your cruise controls, hands-free controls, your multi-information display, a touchscreen infotainment center that has your radio, media, navigation, and drive modes. You also have Lexus interface where you can say, "Hey Lexus," and request any command. Down below, you have USB-C charging ports, an extra compartment with USB-C charging ports. You have your cup holders and your gear shifter. Up above, you have your sunroof controls as well as a sunglasses holder. Your center console opens from either passenger side or driver's side. In the back seat center console, you have your cup holders. In front of that, you have your rear seat climate controls with USB-C charging ports on either side. Your rear seats are manual folding and reclining. You have a spacious trunk with a trunk cover. To the left, you have your power folding options for your rear seats. Underneath, you have your spare tire and tools. Your trunk is power closing from a push of a button. So come on down to Lexus of Edmonton where we will find the vehicle best suited for you.